SideShift app earn money, find jobs, and get paid. #1 platform for Gen Z to find part-time work. Browse all sorts of part-time Gen Z gigs. Apply to any job with just one single profile. Message interview, get paid all in one spot. 250 plus different universities. Find part-time jobs. So this is one of those apps. There are like hundreds of these apps, but this one is quite high in the charts. Seems quite legit app. So then you can just go and install it. Let's just quickly check some ratings. Quite a good rating. I don't know which of these ratings are actually real ones and which are fake ones. I think too many 5-star ratings to be honest. So I don't think all of them are real. And then you can just sign in with Apple. And then who are you? Job seeker. And then what's your name? What's your number? And then you can just search for the AI profile completion. And then just go to LinkedIn if you wanna. And then you can add your socials. And then you need to add your So now you have all of these jobs in here, and a lot of them is about like content creator. A lot of like these gigs, especially also like for college
Hey there,
people,
we are so excited.
like for college
Hey there, we are
graduates.
so excited to introduce
and
our
stuff.
brand new
So
practice
here you
tab
have it.
inside SideShift. Why did we build it? Simple. Not everyone starts out here as a pro content creator or top brand ambassador, but we believe that anyone can become one. The badges system
And
is
a lot of
designed
jobs
to
like
become
campus
a dual
ambassador,
course that helps you level up your
and
creator
so a
skills
lot of
fast.
like
It's super
kind
easy to
of
complete with bite-sized lessons you can knock out anytime. Finish the
student
course
gigs.
and you'll
So
unlock
this is not just
priority
the
access
app
to
where you
power
have
high-paying
all
jobs,
gigs like
special attention from
Uber
top
driver, some other
employers,
apps
and
like
more
you
cash
have all
opportunities
or
directly
like
inside
work
the
in
platform.
retail
We built
somewhere.
this to help you stand
Nope,
out,
this is
not just
mostly
as an
like
employee, but as a
work
creator
on
who knows how to
campus.
drive results.
If you're a
And the
student
best
and
part,
you wanna
once you're badged, our system
earn
pushes
some
you to the front of the
additional
line